another session of Visibility CFO, Tax, and Legal. I'm Emily Stubbs, and this is where we unpack real challenges our clients face and share creative, actionable solutions that turn confusion into clarity. Today we're diving into non-competes, but not the employment kind that may or may not be enforceable depending on your state. We're talking about non-competes in the context of selling a business, a scenario where they're still widely enforceable and too often overlooked. Non-competes in a business sale can look like boilerplate language to be skipped over, but don't be fooled. A few small words or even a single misplaced comma can make a massive difference. A vague definition of industry, for example. What a difference between a restriction from competing in the staffing industry altogether and competing in mechanical engineering staffing. Or a limitation on a string of items that is separated incorrectly by a misplaced comma. Or whether competing activity includes passive ownership, or what the company is being sold is doing in the future, even though it's not a service or product at the time of sale. These details may seem minor or not important, especially when everyone is focused on purchase price, holdbacks, and working capital at the time of sale. But in a few years, these can become major roadblocks. I've worked with sellers who felt totally burnt out at the time of the sale, and competing in the industry again was the last thing on their minds. So agreeing to a broad non-compete in exchange for other deal points may not have seemed like a big deal, but a lot can change in a 5 to 3 year non-compete period. You feel refreshed, but you may be boxed out of the industry you know best. If you're the seller, the key is to not give away too much too easily. It should be fair because the buyer is buying the whole package, but not more than is necessary. If you're only operating in one city, does it make sense to have a statewide restriction? If you're the buyer, think ahead. What's your appetite for future growth? Maybe you're only local today, but what if you want to expand regionally in 2 years? Your non-compete language should protect that path. Whether you're selling your company, buying one, or just trying to protect your long-term business strategy, non-competes deserve a second look. They're not just about today, they're about what's possible tomorrow. So, if you need help drafting or reviewing a non-compete that actually aligns with your long-term goals, reach out. A few well-placed words now can save a mountain of regret later. Click the link below to book a session with our team. Let's help you start guessing and start seeing clearly. Let's do this.